Striking tutorial. Reverse punch. Strike comes out, elbow scraping the side. At the very end of the punch, let your arm roll over into the strike, striking with the first knuckle. This bone here in line with the bone of the forearm. You do not want your hand to be flat. I'm going to be at a 45-degree angle. Notice I can hit the target at a 45. I miss it if I'm flat. It buys me about an extra inch of space. Elbow scrapes the side, and then as the strike gets out, watch on this side, I squeeze my hand tight, and there's a little pocket of air right here. As the strike comes out, I squeeze that pocket of air out. The arm is loose the whole time, except for that split second where I squeeze at the moment of impact. The hands move at the same speed in and out. Obviously, we don't fight this way. We practice basics this way. In a fight, you would have your hands up in a defensive posture, and you would roll into. You're taking it from there.